Hello class. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is probability. So probability in simple terms you can say uncertainty of events. For example, if I say it is more likely that it may rain within a day or two. So this uncertainty of situation can be said as a problem of probability. Another statement could be there are more chances of India's victory in cricket match between India and Sri Lanka. So these uncertain events or situations, when these are expressed in the terms of numerical measurements based on mathematical methods, then it is known as probability. And in terms of probability, you can say probability is the ratio of favorable events to the total number of equally likely events. So this was suggested by Laplace, and in numerically you can state probability as probability is equal to number of favorable events upon total number of likely events. So this is how you can find the probability. And one more important thing that you need to note is probability, the value of probability always lies between 0 to 1. So if there is any probability coming to be 0, then that means there is not at all possibility of occurrence of that particular event. So it has to be between 0 and 1. So let's take up very simple question on this. The first question reads as, what is the probability of drawing a king in a draw from a pack of 52 cards? So what do we require for finding the probability is total number of likely events and number of favorable events. So total number of likely events could be, so there is a pack of 52 cards. So this is your total number of likely events. Next is card of king or favorable event. That means how many kings do we have in the pack of 52 cards? That means 4. So the probability of drawing a king would be number of favorable events, that is favorable events is 4 and this is 1 by 13. So this is how you can find the probability in the simplest way. Next question is, what is the probability that a vowel selected at random in any English book is A? So this is first of all what we have to find is total number of vowels. That means what is the total number of likely events, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is our total number of likely events. Next is we have to find the favorable events, and it is already mentioned in the question that you have to find the probability that a vowel that is selected in any English book is A. So number of favorable event would be 1. So now probability of getting vowel A is number of favorable events upon total number of favorable likely events. So this will be the probability of getting vowel A. Now I have increased the level of the questions. So next question says, from the pack of 52 cards, one card is drawn at random. What is the probability that it will be? First case, it will be a queen. Second case, a card of red color. And third case, a king of diamond. So for simplicity of yours, I have made this chart of pack of cards. So it clearly says there are 26 red color cards and 26 black color cards. From this particular chart, you can easily find the number of favorable events that we want. That means, first of all, what do we require is total number of favorable events. That means in each of the cases, total number of favorable events will be 52 because we are drawing the card from 52 cards. Next is for dealing with first question, that is drawing, what is the probability that it will be a queen? So how many queens are there? So queens would be in the pack of red color also. That means heart queen will be there, diamond will be there, spade will be there and club will be there. So all together we will be having 4 queens. Next, is a card of red color. So card of red color would be in heart also and in diamond also. So in totality, how many red color cards do we have? That is 26. So number of favorable event for red color is 26. Next is in third question, it is asking a king of diamond. So a king of diamond means that should be a diamond also and it should be a king also. So that means we only have one card which will be of king also and diamond also. So number of favorable event in third case will be 1. So now we can find the probabilities. Number of favorable event, that means 4, and number of total favorable events, that means, so probability of getting a queen from the pack of 52 cards will be 1 by 13. Next is probability of red color, that means 26 by 52, that means 1 by 2. Next is probability of getting a king of diamond will be 1 by 52. So this is how you can find the probability in the simplest of cases. And do remember this particular chart because it will help you in later questions also, because majority of the questions are asked from this particular card set also. It could be coins also, it could be ball games also. So for this you can read this chart.